My name is Dale Richards. I'm a Vistage speaker. I'm here in Connecticut, and Michael was in my group today, and I wanted to tell you, what does your company do and what you do, and then what did you enjoy about today's session?
Sure. So my name is Michael Barr. I'm with United Corporate Services. We serve the legal industry in forming and maintaining corporations in the United States. I've been a Vistage member for about 23 years.
Awesome.
And today's session was terrific. It felt like a combination of everything that I've learned at Vistage over the last 20 years compressed into one session.
One wild pump flow.
It was a lot of information, but it was great because it's a reminder. I have liked over Vistage, things that I hadn't had a chance to implement, that now I get a second chance to go back and try to redo again with new energy and vitality.
That's great. And what specific, do you remember some of the key things you want to implement from Dale's session today?
Oh, no, absolutely. There were, one thing in particular was this concept of performance reviews and how performance reviews can be have a negative impact on employees and a company overall, and to replace them instead with monthly coaching sessions. So give me an opportunity to really ask questions of my team rather than dictate to them about what to do.
That's great, and it's fun being a coach, right?
It is.
So I want to tell you, audience, my name is Dale Richard. I've spoken over 450 times in 42 states and 7 countries on how to optimize your company and how to value your company. And I had the privilege of flying here to Connecticut and meet these wonderful people, and my chair, Andrew, who's photographing us here. I want to first tell you about Vistage. It is the most important decision that you can ever make as an executive to join a Vistage group. In my experience as a chair, my members had 5 to 10x revenue, profits, and value while they were in their Vistage group. So look one up, become a member like this fine gentleman for how many years again?
18.
18 years, and he's still here because did you get value today?
Every month.
Every month. Join Vistage. I highly recommend it. Thank you for your time.